she was going to hit him in the head. He walked right by.
What do you think? Hi.
Hey, come here. Hi. I don't think she knows what to think yet.
No? Look at her toes. Baby girl. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? You like it? Huh? Do you like it? Do you like it? You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
What you got?
Uh-huh. Caden, say hi, baby.
Thank you.
You're on camera. Say hi. Is that no?
He's like, I'm gonna go push her.
You're gonna push her? Push her. Oh. Oh. Be careful. She's gonna hit you. You're going downhill. Huh? You guys smile. I'm videotaping. Ah. This is a child's video.